Okay, just filming this for police record. We came back after being away for a few days last week, and our neighbour has decided to chop down a load of our trees. He already had permission to obviously cut any branches that were entering his property, but he has gone along and chopped our trees down at the trunk. This particular one, yellow flowers in full bloom. These are probably bits that might have been overhanging or possibly not. And then he's gone to the trunk and has taken, if I stood that up, that is probably about 8 foot tall, and we've got about 6-7 foot of it left. This is Silver Birch cut off at the trunk. Again, taken off about 6 foot. And that's a shrub from further up the garden, about 5 or 6 foot when it stood up properly. Again, another silver birch, completely decimated. You can see how big that tree was, and that's probably 8 foot taken out there. Plus there's another piece there and another piece there. So criminal damage, and the police strangely are itching to come out and speak to these people who we had got on very well with prior to this, and I've said, well, let's just hang fire at the moment. Unfortunately it's dying off now, but you can see it was in full flower. It was a sneaky bloody behind our backs move to pull. They know damn well that if we'd been at home when they were attempting any of this, there would have been serious trouble and consequences. Beautiful tree that's been growing for 14 years and is now just a 5 foot twig with about 5-6 branches coming off the top of it. So yeah, not impressed. That is the side that it's all come from, and yeah, I'm not sure where we're taking this yet.